Boost tomato yields with autonomous drone fertilization. Join us on a journey into the future of agriculture with autonomous drones revolutionizing tomato farming. Discover how these advanced drones are optimizing tomato plant nutrition with precision fertilization techniques. Explore the benefits of this innovative approach, from increased yields to sustainable farming practices. Don't miss out on this groundbreaking technology reshaping the way we grow tomatoes. Discover how autonomous drones are revolutionizing tomato farming by delivering precision fertilization directly to plants. Join us as we explore this cutting-edge technology that optimizes nutrient delivery, enhances crop health, and boosts tomato yields. Learn about the benefits of using drones in agriculture, including efficiency, sustainability, and improved crop quality. Don't miss out on this glimpse into the future of farming and how it's transforming the way we grow tomatoes. This description is designed to capture viewers' interest by highlighting the innovative use of drones in agriculture and the tangible benefits for tomato farmers. It emphasizes efficiency, sustainability, and improved crop outcomes, appealing to anyone interested in modern farming techniques and technology.